Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a new group and then delete a group. Okay, so this is going to be a straightforward process. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first what you need to type is this command /etc/group. And here you can see that we have quite a few groups: accounting, marketing, managers, admins, help desk. Okay, so let's just say we need to add the sales group. Okay, so this is the command that we need to enter: group add sales. Please note that I do not need to use sudo because I'm logged in as the root account. However, if you're only logged in as your regular administrator account, you still need to use sudo. Okay, and in order to confirm that the new user has been added, this is the directory we need to go to again. And as you can see, the new group has been added. Okay, so now I want to delete one of the groups. I want to delete the managers groups. So how would I do that? I need to type, first let me clear the screen, group del managers. Okay, then I'm going to go back to this directory. As you can see, the managers group has been deleted. Okay, I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.